In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply a tax rate to an invoice in Stripe. To begin, open your Stripe dashboard and go to Billing. From there, select Invoices. This will take you to the area where you can view existing invoices and create new ones. Next, open the invoice you want to work on. You can choose a draft invoice if one already exists, or you can create a new invoice if needed. It is important that the invoice is still editable, since tax rates are usually applied before the invoice is finalized. Once the invoice is open, add the item that you want to charge the customer for. This can be a product, a service, or a one-time invoice item. Make sure the item is added to the invoice before moving on, because the tax rate will be attached to that specific line item. After the item appears on the invoice, locate its options and open the edit view for that item. This is where you can adjust details such as the description, amount, and tax settings. In the item editor, look for the tax rate section. Here, you will see the available manual tax rates that have already been created in your Stripe account. Select the tax rate you want to apply to this item. Be careful to choose the correct one, since this rate will directly affect the amount the customer is charged. After selecting the tax rate, save the item update. Depending on the version of the interface you are using, the button may say Save or Update Item. Once you save, Stripe will recalculate the invoice total using the selected tax rate. Now review the invoice carefully. Check the invoice preview and confirm that the tax amount appears correctly. You should be able to see the added tax reflected in the subtotal or total section of the invoice. This is an important final check to make sure the correct rate was applied before the invoice is sent. When everything looks correct, continue to the invoice review step. From there, you can finalize the invoice or send it to the customer, depending on your workflow. Finalizing the invoice locks in the charges, including the tax rate you selected for the item. That covers everything you need to know.